Hi, I'm super excited. I'm all by myself today. I got my puppies with me, but we are talking about dandelions, the pesky little things that grow everywhere. People make wine out of them. You can make syrup out of them. The entire plant is edible, even the root of the dandelion. So if you think you're going to eat some, you want to just kind of like eat a couple and make sure you're not allergic to them. I've been munching on them all week, so I know I'm good. I have all of the greens here. Look at, see the flowers? The flowers are real sweet, and they're really good and edible. And this I found in my yard. If you've ever grown oregano, take a look around. It's a weed. It'll just keep growing everywhere. But I am going to, see how nice these are? I brought them in, washed them in cold water, and spun them in my salad spinner, just like you would if you had lettuce. So I'm gonna put some of my greens in my salad, and I am going to chop up some of this oregano, and I'm gonna pull the little petals out of these flowers. And I ate a flower yesterday, and it was so sweet I couldn't believe it. And I wouldn't, make sure you know where you're taking the dandelions from. It's not been sprayed with pesticides. We don't use pesticides here, especially when I have bees. Look at how cool. And I have this bowl of spinach that I dehydrated, so I'm gonna sprinkle some of that in there. I'm gonna start dehydrating spinach. So they say dandelions are good for arthritis. They have more beta carotene than carrots. Isn't that crazy? And they're edible raw or cooked. So the other thing I did is I made this dressing. It's called 3-2-1. 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of your favorite jam. So you could make it like sugar-free. I'm gonna give this a taste. Yum, they're good. So the older the plant, the more bitter the leaves are. So if you not have nice little ones, go for it. Keep smiling.